I've been exposing this mass migration agenda for many, many years. I actually have been on the front lines of this. I was living in Sweden when probably the biggest mass migration into a European country since World War II was taking place. And so I saw, up close what was happening, and it was a dramatic transformation. I actually just went back this summer, and I can tell you it is a fundamentally different country. And that was the goal from the beginning. And so I think there's several agendas at work here. One of the things that I think we need to start off by pointing out is our so-called in the Western world are actually complicit in this deliberate effort to the underpinnings of our civilization. They have been running around the world bombing nations for many years now, often based on lies, based on phony pretexts. We're all good examples of this. In fact, I would argue that one of the things that has most fueled persecution of around the world, other than just Islamic theology and communist ideology, is the deliberate actions of Western governments.